I'm going to give you some content sauce. So you want to focus on the thing that you uniquely can do, the value that you uniquely can provide to the market that they really want. And that's really the thing that you want to focus on. So, for example, our Instagram, it's really this taste, kind of this filter that I have on after watching all of this different content online, and at the same time as growing my business, kind of what pieces of advice stuck with me and sharing that online. And the filter is accurate to me and accurate to creating a company from scratch, creating a business from scratch. And so that's why it's popular, because it's that filter. That's literally the only unique, kind of value that's there, is that it's this valuable content that for other people that are entrepreneurs, that are founders, that are starting businesses and trying to scale. That's the unique value that provides. And another example is, if you go back in the history of this YouTube channel, I used to post about a video game called DC Universe online. And one of the it was a superhero video game, and it was really cool. I loved it because you could create your own superhero pretty much from scratch. You could customize their superpowers and their costume and everything. And the videos that were the most popular of mine, many of them were just customization videos, almost like showing the unique design, of the probably millions or hundreds of millions of possible combinations of the different costume, pieces and superpowers in the game, the characters that I had created. And that was just something that was like, my unique kind of taste, my unique design. As funny as that sounds, like for a character customization, those were the ones that were the most popular and that people loved the most. And so you want to do that as a business as well. When you're posting content, you want to think about, okay, what is the unique value that I can provide? Who is my target customer? Who's the person that I want to get onto and bring into my sales funnel? Okay, and what do they want? And what can I give them? And ideally, it's something that's almost like a preview of what your full product or service is, if they did become a customer or client of yours. So you want to give away the secrets on your marketing channels, on your social media. When you're creating content, you want to give away the secrets in the best possible way that you can. You want to, and because you want to provide value at the maximum way that you can. And that's the way that you'll do it, is by sharing that and then selling the actual implementation that you uniquely have this experience of, or a product that does it for you, automatically, that you can buy, or a tier where you do it, for them, with, expert installation, right? Like that, it's, that kind of service. Like if you go to Best Buy and you buy online like a super giant TV, you can check the box and you're checking out that you want, the Geek Squad to come over and install the TV for you, right? And so it's that kind of thing, that kind of ramp and how you want to think about it. But really, it just comes down to, what is your unique story as a founder, as a business? What is the unique value that you can provide to your target customer? And ideally, that's as specific as possible to, a very, very acute pain point that your target customer has.